we're going to be looking at this Berny. This Berny Diver watch with a very interesting bezel. I've had this for a little period of time, and I have to say this watch surprised me. Look at the indices. We're not just talking a painted indice. Look at the date. Very unique. You've got to look at this Berny watch and just say, wow, it is kind of amazing. This model number is AM 7081M. They do make two other colors, but this is the color I preferred. And what I really want to show you is this inner bezel that's within the, if you turn this, you turn the bezel. And it's bidirectional, and you turn that bezel and it's under the glass. It's under the glass. It is a 14 millimeter height width. So it is on the chunkier side. It is a 42. It actually looks in pictures to be smaller. Comes with this rubber strap. You can tell that I've had this a little while. I haven't actually worn it a lot. I have to be honest there that it's not one I've taken out, but in my collection, it really stands out as kind of a unique watch. And when you realize I got this for $80, 80 US dollars, this really is quite the watch. I mean, just look at that dial, what you get. I really do think that is, you get the screw down crown, you know, you get to move the hands just to free it up to give you a little different look. You get to change the date. So, you know, it really is. Probably the biggest thing that I really didn't mention here. Let me just screw this back down. The biggest thing I didn't mention was it's an automatic. This is not a quartz movement. It's an automatic movement. You know, it really is. For an automatic 200 meter water resistance, 42, 14 depth-wise. Let's put it on the wrist and see what it looks like. You know, as I put that on my wrist, I got to wear this one more often. I don't know why I don't wear it, but it really does look good on the wrist. Here, let me pull this cuff up a little. You know, you can see where it's definitely on the taller side. It's not, and the band is a little chunky on this first section, but it goes right down. You just get a regular clasp, but a rubber strap, which is perfect for water. Yeah, this Berny watch, I think, is pretty popular on AliExpress over the last year or so. It does come in the other two colors. Just in case you're looking, it comes in a white and a black. But this color seems to stand out, and I will bet you this is probably one of the most popular colors to get this watch. But it really is kind of a nice watch all around. So there you have it, the Berny water watch, and I've got a couple others. This is probably the first watch I got, or actually it's the second watch I got from Berny. And this one I actually, in my collection, it really does stand out as a really excellent watch. Again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll be having more watches come out, and at least trying to do 3 a week, and have done that for a few weeks here. So on a roll. Again, like and subscribe, and there you have it.